to storm in Mollywood. Samantha Ruth Prabhu has called for a report from Tollywood as well, saying that Telangana government must take cue from Kerala. Urged the Telangana government to look at the 2019 report referring to the Hema Committee report. Well, Lunata Samantha Ruth Prabhu has said that the government of Telangana also must look into these allegations and must also set up a committee to look into similar allegations. Taking a cue from what's been happening in the state of Kerala, where the Hema Committee report was set up, Samantha Ruth Prabhu has voiced concerns and in fact advised the government to look into the 2019 report. Telangana government must take a cue from Kerala, is what she said, calling for a report from Tollywood. Samantha Ruth Prabhu has spoken about this issue, indicating that this could be happening in Tollywood as well, and that the Telangana government must take cue from what the Kerala government has done. Apurva Jayachandran getting in more details on that big story. It's a significant statement coming in from a well-known actor, Samantha Ruth Prabhu, who's asked the Telangana government to not look the other way and do something similar via vis-a-vis setting up a committee to also look into similar allegations within Tollywood. Apurva.
Well, that's right. In fact, what we are getting to know is the actress there, she has in fact shared to her social media account where she has, lauded the efforts of the Women in Cinema Collective, the WCC, and also she has urged the Telangana government to publish a subcommittee report on sexual harassment. In fact, remember, she has been one of the actors who has been vocal even during the Me Too movement when it had started out, and she has been, quite a supporter of all the victims who had come out during the Me Too movement as well. And now the actor has taken to Instagram one of her social accounts, and she has stated that we urge the Telangana government to publish the submitted subcommittee report on sexual harassment, which can help frame government and industry policies to establish a safe working environment. So she has said that in her post that she has taken to social media, she says that a report has already been submitted to the Telangana government and has urged the Telangana government take action on the report and also initiate action into it as soon as possible.
All right. I'm going to, in fact, Apurva ask you to be with us. We have news of Samantha Ruth Prabhu essentially telling the Telangana government to do much more, to look into the 2019 report. Apurva continues to be with us. Apurva, give us a sense of why this statement has been necessitated. Is it because the well-known actor believes that there are in fact way too many cases within Tollywood as well, and there would be concerns within Tollywood as well?
Well, we have seen, be it the Tollywood industry or, the South Indian film arts especially, we have seen a lot of names that have come up in, the South industry, Southern film industry especially. And in the Me Too movement as well, we saw quite an uproar that came up. In fact, Samantha was one of the actors who had been quite supportive of the survivors there during the Me Too movement as well, and she had stood by them. And that is what she has also encouraged as well. She has also lauded, the Hema Committee report and also welcomed it, saying that we applaud the persistent efforts of the WCC in Kerala, which has laid sparks to this movement, is what she said. In fact, the actors has also urged the Telangana government, nudging them in the way, saying that there has been a report of complaints that has already been filed, and that the state government take cognizance of the report and also ensure that justice is met with.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Apurva Jayachandran, getting in those details as far as Samantha Ruth Prabhu making the demand from the Telangana government is concerned.